Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called loss leader pricing. It's one of the marketing technique, but has an influence in supply chain management. Loss leader pricing is a marketing strategy that prices products lower than it costs to produce them in order to attract new customer or to sell additional products to the customer. Companies typically use loss leader pricing when they are entering new market or attempting to increase their market share. With any loss leader product, retailers hope that once inside the store, buyers will also buy other items that are being sold at full retail price. The profit from those additional purchases generally more than compensate for the losses on the one. Grocery stores often use milk as a loss leader, in part because most supermarkets have milk in refrigerated unit in the way back of the store. Even if the milk is not sold at a loss, enticing shoppers into the store in order to buy milk is very likely to result in additional sales to the supermarket. While loss leader pricing is most often used in retail setting, it can also be applied in product marketing. Think about consumer product like razors and razor blades. For example, most razor manufacturers are happy to sell razor unit at a loss because they will make a profit every time the customer buys replacement blades. Or floor sweepers that use dispensable wet or dry sheets to clean the floor. The money is in the replacement sheet, so the manufacturer may elect to sell the starter kits at a loss in order to generate demand for the sheets. Pricing a product at a loss can still be profitable if the customer can be persuaded to purchase other item at full price during the same shopping trip. Thanks for watching. Bye.